A very good morning, my dear student. How are you, children? I hope you all are fit and fine at your place. Myself, Ritu Chandrol, your EVS teacher, I welcome you all to this online session of teaching. Children, today we are going to study a new chapter, that is lesson number 10, Plants Around Us. Lesson number 10, Plants Around Us. Plants, plants, around, around, us, plants around us. My dear children, I am reading the first paragraph. You all have to repeat along with me. We see many kinds of plants around us. Plants have different shapes and sizes. Some plants are big and some are small. In the first paragraph, it is explaining that our world is full of different kind of plants. Let us learn about it. As you all know this, children, there are many kinds of plants around us, and the plants are having different shapes and sizes, and some plants are big in size and some plants are small in size. So, some are big, some are small, some have flowers and some have thorns. You can find the plant everywhere. As you all know this, children, plant can grow anywhere, and we all can find the plants everywhere. Like we can find the plant in land, on mountains, on rocks, on the walls, or in a place where it is hot or where it is cold. So, we can find the plants everywhere: land, mountains, rocks, on walls, or in a place where it is hot or cold. Types of plants. Look at this picture, children. Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers. There are 5 types of plants. What are they, children? Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. I am reading the second paragraph. You all have to repeat along with me. About trees. Trees are big and tall plants are called trees. They have broad and strong stems. We see some big trees like mango, neem and gulmohar tree around us. My dear children, plants that grow big and strong are called trees. Big and tall plants are called trees. They have hard, thick, woody stem called trunk. They have many branches. Following are the examples of trees. What are the children? First one is mango tree. Second one is neem tree. Third one is gulmohar tree. These are the examples of trees. Trees gives us shade. They make our surrounding cool. They make the place beautiful. It is explaining that trees gives us shade, and because of that many of the trees are there, and because of that the place look beautiful, and it keeps the surrounding cool also. Some of the examples of trees you can see, children. Number 1 is coconut. Second one is apple. Third one is banyan. And fourth one is ashoka. These are all the example of trees. Children, I am reading the third paragraph. You all have to repeat along with me. Shrubs. The small bushy plants are called shrubs. They have hard stems with many branches. We see some shrubs like rose, cotton and jasmine around us. Children, in the third paragraph, it is explaining that plants which are small but strong are called shrubs. They are small bushy plants, and what are they called, children? They are called shrubs. They have hard stem and they have many branches. Some of the examples of shrubs are rose, cotton, jasmine. Children, I am reading the fourth paragraph. You all have to repeat along with me. Herbs. The very small and non-bushy plants are called herbs. They have soft, thin and weak stem. We see herbs like corn, wheat and rice plant around us. In the fourth paragraph, it is explaining that, children, plants which are small but weak are called herbs. They are small in size, and non-bushy plants are called herbs. They have soft, thin and weak stem. As you can see the example of herbs, children. What are they? Corn, rice, wheat. These are the examples of herbs. Some more example is also given, children. Look at this one. Mint, coriander. Both are the example of herbs which are small and soft stem are called herbs. Children, now I am reading the 5th paragraph. You all have to repeat along with me. Climbers. Some plants have weak stem and need support to stand. These plants are called climbers. We see climbers like pea, grapevine and money plant around us. In the 5th paragraph, it is explaining that, children, some plant like money plant, grapevine and pea have narrow and weak stem. They need support to climb. Such plants are called climbers. As you can see in the picture, children, look at the picture carefully. First picture is grapevine. Second one is pea. Third one is money plant. These are all the examples of climbers. Now, I am reading the 6th paragraph. You all have to repeat along with me. Creepers. Some plants which have very weak stems spread on the ground, they are called creepers. We see creepers like watermelon and pumpkin around us. In the 6th paragraph, it is explaining that plant with weak stem that cannot stand upright and spread on the ground. Children, look at this picture carefully. Creepers grow along the ground. Example, pumpkin. Creepers grow along the ground. Example, pumpkin. So, some plants which have very weak stem, because of the weak stem, they get spread on the ground. And what are they, children? What are the example of creepers? What are the example of creepers? Watermelon and pumpkin. Children, now I am reading the 7th paragraph. You all have to repeat along with me. Use of plants. Plants give us many things. We get most of the food from plants. We get many other things like cotton, wood, oil, medicines and paper from plants. We get wood from plants. We use wood to make houses and furnitures. My dear children, in the 6th paragraph, it is explaining that plant is very useful for us. As you all know that we get most of the food from plants. Say yes or no, children? Yes, na? We get many things from plant. As like example, we get cotton from cotton plants. We get wood from plants. We get oil from plants. We get medicines from plants, and we get paper from plants. So, plants are very useful thing for us, and it is very important for us also. We also get wood from plant, and we use wood to make houses and furniture. I am reading the 8th paragraph. You all have to repeat along with me. taking care of plants. We must take care of plants. We must water them regularly. We must not pluck leaves or flowers from plants. They are the most important gift of nature to us. We must save them. Children, in the 8th paragraph, it is explaining that we all must take care of plants. As you all know this, children, plants are very useful for us. So, it is very essential for us to take care of plants. First of all, we must water the plant regularly. Second, most important thing, as you all are children, so it is very important that children, you must not pluck the leaves or flowers from plant. So, it is the most important gift for us. So, it is very important and it is very important gift of nature to us. So, we must save them and we must not pluck the leaves or flowers from the plant. And it is our duty to save the plant. Thank you, my dear children.